What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So a month ago, a company from South Korea reached out to me to see if I want to test out one of their product. It's a tent that they had in mind, and I'm always down for testing out new outdoor equipment and whatnot. So yeah, today we'll look into that tent real quick. So the tent is actually, I'll turn the camera around. It's right next to me. So this is the tent. It's called the Octa Tent. It's a South Korean company, and it's very similar to the Gazelle in size. However, this one is a little bit bigger. I think it is, when it comes to the bag size, it's just a little bit bigger than the Gazelle, but it's very similar to the Gazelle. It's a pop-up style. So yeah, today we'll do an unboxing and then also test it out, because we did take this out to Big Bear just to see how it is. So let's go into the unboxing of this tent, guys. All right, so this new tent just arrived when I got home from work. So I've been talking back and forth with people online about this tent, and it is made, I believe it's in Korea. It's a Korean company, Octa Tent. So they reach out to me and see if I want to do a review on this tent. And yeah, it's pretty big. It looks like it's almost about the same size as the Gazelle. It's pretty heavy, about 30 pounds or so. So we'll see. Let's do the unboxing of this tent right now. All right, as you can see, inside that big old box was another box. It's more like a carrying case. Looks pretty cool. Has a logo right there. Let's see, I can do this one-handed. Oh, nice. Oh, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. What is this? I don't know what that is. We'll leave that aside. Okay, so these are must be tie downs and stake, I'm assuming, to hold everything down. So this is a pop-up tent, supposedly. It's actually not a tent per se. I think it's more like a covering, but you could turn into a sleeping quarter. Yeah, so these are all tie down, and then stakes to stake everything down. So yeah, let's open this up. Okay, we got all the heavy duty crossbar, or oh yeah, okay. So I'm assuming it's for this. Oh, there's instruction. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so they do have instruction. It is kind of pop up. You do have to connect a few stuff here and there, but we'll do that later when we're set up for camping. But yeah, that's what's in the package. I'm gonna just open it up, just make sure everything's in here and make sure that all the parts are there before I take this go camping. But it is made in China, but it's a Korean brand. At least the company is a Korean brand from what I saw. So let's open it up and then see what else is in here. So the build quality looks pretty good. I opened up just a little bit, just enough to get a feel of the materials and what they use. Obviously, I can't really open it right here because it's limited space. It's supposed to be pretty big, and so we'll have to give this a try at a camping site. But yeah, the build quality looks pretty good. Material looks pretty good. All the Velcro and stuff looks pretty well built. All right, so yeah, that's the unboxing. Now I have to put all this back. Get ready to take a go camping. All right, we're testing out this next item. This tent, Octa Tent. It's a Korean brand. Supposedly very similar to the Gazelle in a way, but we'll check it out. We'll set it up and see all the feature of this tent. You guys might see this video first, just because they have a deadline they want me to get to. But yeah, so we're shooting some content here. Found a nice area, flat, to put a tent down. Okay, check this tent out. So apparently this one can deploy in about a minute or so. So we'll test it out. It's gonna take us a little bit longer than a minute because this is our first time doing it. Like anything, the first time is always the hardest time.
The sides don't pop out, it's the middle. Oh, how did you do that?
It's already zip. So it's hard to see all the pop out things. You have to go underneath the zipper. So that's the opening right where you're at. Okay, can you hold that side? Where it's already pop out? Just hold it there.
Oh yeah, not all sides have this.
No, exactly. And the pop-up point is hidden because it's already.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. So the poles have to go over the top of the okay. Yeah, you think it's humongous. It's nice, like for eating at night and stuff.
Okay, now the side. Yeah. Yeah. All right, as you can see, it took about 4 minutes to figure it out, but it's first time is a little bit harder to figure out, but we got it up. It's just that the Velcro is hidden, so we couldn't see all the pop-up point. Once you figure it out, it's pretty easy, just like Gazelle. But dude, this thing is huge. That's what she said. Okay, so these stakes is to make the inside, one of the opening, more rigid. So we're gonna give that a shot. So just connect to, as you can see here, the stake together, and then these pieces, it goes on the inside. And so make one of the this door more rigid, because there's two doors. One, you can leave it open and kind of like camp outside. You can actually put the car in. The car is small enough, but obviously we're not going to do that today. But yeah, let's make that one opening a little bit more rigid to check this out. Okay, now it's more rigid. We got the 4 stakes in. All right, its final form is done. So I think if you car camp, this is really perfect. The only thing that's kind of drag is missing is a footprint. So you bring a tarp, put it down first. I think that would help. Unfortunately, we didn't bring a tarp. We didn't realize there's no footprint. But if you have a footprint in there, you can close it up. Nice tent for the night. Get access to your car, your vehicle right in the back. Or if you have small enough, like a Civic or something, you can probably drive all the way in there and cover the whole thing. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. We'll put a few tables in and just to see how it looks right now. All right, we are set up. Look at this. This thing is nice. So one thing that's good about this is you can zip this down and it become weatherproof. The material is very durable, weatherproof, and it fits up to 8 person. Can you believe it? Tons of space in here. It's pretty high. I can't even reach all the way to the top. I don't know how I'm gonna put that down. But yeah, you can have access to your car right here. Obviously, if you have a mat down here or a footprint, and you can definitely turn this to a sleeping quarter as well. Well, you can actually. It's just we didn't because we didn't bring it, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Octatent, South Korean brand. All right, so what's my honest review when it comes to this tent by Octa Tent? I really like it. I feel like I am going to be using this tent in the next camping trip, I would say, that's coming up. I did have in mind a trip, actually two trips, and something comes up. One was that they were trying to get it in for me for that trip in time, the Big Bear trip with some of the buddies. So unfortunately, they got it in like 2 or 3 days after our trip. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to use it on that trip. And the other thing was that I had another trip in mind, which you guys are gonna see in a little bit. However, immediately, like the day before we were supposed to go there, my wife hurt her back. So yeah, we didn't plan to go camping because obviously it wasn't good for her back to be sleeping on the floor. So unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to really test out camping wise, but we did go up to Big Bear just to take a look at it and open it up as you guys see in the video. So yeah, when it comes to tent wise, I really like this. It's ample room, it fit up to 8 people, and then the size and everything is really nice. The only, I would say, downside of this tent is that I didn't have a footprint. So it'd be nice if they added a footprint in there, and that way you can actually, you know, already set it up. So I would say just bring a tarp or something like that to put underneath the tent to make it so you can actually put your sleeping bag or your cot or wherever you plan to go camping. But when it comes to, I think I'm gonna use this next time so we can have a whole setup system, especially with the RAV4. I can get pretty close to this tent, and then I can have all my cooking and everything in there. So I really like having this tent for that purpose. And also, yeah, once you're able to close everything up, it's weather seal, rain seal and everything. So it's kind of nice having that. So definitely next camping trip, I'm gonna bring it along and really test it out. They try and get this video out by a certain date, so that's why I'm gonna have to do a last minute and hurry up for them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I really like this tent. I plan to use it pretty soon on our next camping trip. And so if you guys like this tent, I'll put all the information in the description below for you guys. So if you guys have any other questions, just let me know in the comment section below when it comes to this tent. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough time to actually test it out like fully on a camping trip. So hopefully soon we can get this and really test it out on a camping situation. But if you have any question regarding everything, just let me know in the comment section below. And you guys like this kind of content, outdoor content, just consider subscribing to the channel. More adventure to come pretty soon. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, take care guys. Bye.